Hello everyone, this video is for grade 10th, day 14, chapter 3, linear equation in two variable. In the last video, we started elimination method. So in continuation to that, today we are going to solve more question based on elimination method. This question is asked by CBSE in year 2010. The question is to find the value of x and y. The first equation is 4 by x plus 3y equals to 8. And the second one is 6 by x minus 4y equals to minus 5. Now, this is a different type of question. As you can see that in denominator, we have the value of the variable. So, whenever you get question like that, in which the variable is present in the denominator, always consider that part as some other variable. Never solve by taking the LCM because that will make your question more complicated. So whenever you get variable at the denominator, always replace it by some other variable so that you can write it in the standard form, which is, suppose 1 by x I have considered here as u. You can choose any variable a, b, c, d except x. So here 1 by x equals to u. So this can be written as 4u because 1 by x is u. So 4u plus 3y equals to 8. This is my equation number 1. Now equation number 2, again here also I can replace 1 by x by u. Why? Because I have considered 1 by x equals to u. So I can write 6u minus 4y equals to minus 5. This is my equation number 2. Once we get the new equation, then after that we'll use the same method like we did before to solve question using elimination method. As we can see that here the variable y, the sign is positive, and here in variable y the sign is negative. Now the LCM, the coefficient of y are 4 and 3. So the LCM of 4 and 3 will be what? 12. So we must multiply 3 with which number in order to get 12? By 4, right? Therefore, we multiply the entire equation by 4 such that we get here plus 12y. And similarly, in equation number 2, as we have 4 here, so we multiply the entire equation by 3 such that we get minus 12y here. From the name itself, it states elimination, which means eliminate. So in this method, we eliminate one variable to find the value of other variable. So it's not necessary that we always eliminate y. We can eliminate u also. But as we see that the sign are same, so in that case, first we find the LCM of 6 and 4. Then rewrite the equation, and in this case we need to subtract if we want to solve using u, if we want to eliminate u. So we have to subtract because the sign are same. As we can see here the sign are different, so simply by adding we can eliminate the value of y and we can get the value of u by simply adding it. That's why I have used here y. So that's why I have chose to eliminate y in this question. Proceeding further, if I'm multiplying the entire equation by 4, then this doesn't going to change the value of the equation. Why? Because we are multiplying the LHS also by 4 and RHS also by 4. That's why we can multiply. But the thing matter is that we have to multiply the entire equation. So 4 4s are 16u plus 4 3s are 12y equals to 8 4s are 32. This is my equation number, say you can say 3. Similarly, 3 6s are 18u, 4 3s are minus 12y, because we have negative sign here, negative, positive, negative, and equals to minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So as we can say that the coefficient of y is plus 12, and in the equation number 4 the coefficient of y is minus 12. So simply by adding equation 3 and 4, if we add it, then we are adding all the like terms all together. So 16u plus 18u will become 34u, 12y will be cancelled out, and equals to 32 plus 15 is minus 15 is 17, right? So the value of u is how much? 1 by 2. As we know that u equals to how much? 1 by x. This is what I have assumed. So I'll write u equals to 1 by x, which is equals to 1 by 2. So if you cross multiply this, you can simply get x equals to 2. Now you have the value of x equals to 2. You can put the value of x in any of the equation and you can get the value of y. Like I have used this equation that x equals to 2 in this equation, 4 by x plus 3y equals to 8. So at place of x I can write 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. This 2 will go to that side. It will become minus 2. So 3y equals to 6. Therefore y equals to 6 by 3, which is equals to 6. So at last I write x equals to 2 and y equals to 2 is the solution of the given linear equation. Let's solve another question to understand it in a better way. Over here, this question is asked by CBSE in year 2004. We have 1 by 2x minus 1 by y equals to minus 1 and 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equals to 8. These are the two linear equations. As you can see here that the variable over here is at the denominator and the y variable is also at the denominator. So we will rewrite this equation in the standard form such that I can here assume that 1 by x equals to u. You can take any other variable also. Here I have considered 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So according to the question, if I have to rewrite this, I can write it as 1 by x is u. So I can write u by 2 because 2 is as it is. I am only changing the value of 1 by x which I have considered u. So at place of 1 by x I can write u and 2 is written as it is. Minus 1 by y I have considered what? V. Why I am taking u and v? Because normally if we take the LCM and if we try to solve, that's going to be a bit complicated. So in order to avoid complications, we are taking. So whenever you get variable at the denominator, always consider it as some other variable. So here u by 2 minus v equals to minus 1. This is my first equation. So if I take 2 as the LCM, because this is a constant number, so I can take 2 as a LCM. This 2 will go to that side and it will become u minus 2v equals to minus 2. This is my equation number 1. Similarly, I can write this u plus v by 2 equals to 8. This is my equation number 2. So at this one, at place of 1 by x I can write u. At place of 1 by y by 2 I can write v by 2 equals to 8. So again I'll take the LCM. It will become 2u plus v equals to 16. This 2 will go to that side. This is my equation number 2. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. As you can see that the sign of v is plus over here and here it is minus, right? So simply we can eliminate this because we always try to find the easier way. There is possibility that you can eliminate u also, but in that case you have to do subtraction. But I find addition more easier. So here again I am taking v. Now the LCM of 1 and 2 is how much? 2. So I'll multiply, I'll write the first equation as it is because here already 2 is available. Now in order to make this v into 2v, I have to multiply the entire equation by 2. So I did the same. I have multiplied 2u plus v equals to 16 by 2. So now the third equation, which is as it is, u minus 2v equals to minus 2. This is as it is. And the fourth equation, after getting multiplied by 2, it becomes 2 2s are 4u and plus 2v is 2v equals to 16 2s are 32. By simply adding the new equation, which is third and 4, I can get 4u plus u is 5u. This will cancel out and this will become minus 2 plus 32 because here we are adding. So it will be 30. So the value of u is how much? 6. By putting the value of u in any of these equations, here I have used u minus 2v equals to minus 2. I can get the value of v. So by putting u equals to 6, if I'll simplify this, I'll get the value of v equals to 4, right? Now I have the value of u equals to 6, but according to the question, u was not given in the question. It was given x. I have considered 1 by x equals to u, right? So if I can write at place of u, I can write 1 by x, 6 as it is. So if I equate this, I'll get the value of x equals to 1 by 6. Similarly, the value of v is 1 by y equals to 4. So now the value of y is 1 by 4. This is how we solve problem. If the variable is at the denominator, you have to replace it by some other variable. This funda you are going to apply in every question, in all the question where you find variable at the denominator. Let's solve one more question based on that, so that this concept gets more clear to you. Here we have 3a by x minus 2b by y plus 5 equals to 0. And the second question is a by x plus 3b by y minus 2 equals to 0. Where x is not equals to 0 and y is not equals to 0. This is asked by already CBSE in year 2005. Now as you can see that again we have variable at the denominator. So I have assumed 1 by x by u, and again y is at the denominator, which is a variable, so definitely I have to rewrite it also. So I have considered 1 by y equals to v. Now again I'll rewrite both the equation. So I can write it as 3au. At place of 1 by x, I can write u because I have considered 1 by x equals to u. So 3au minus 2b at place of 1 by y. What can I write? V. So 2bv plus 5 equals to 0. This is my equation number 1. And at here, I can write au, 1 by x can be written as u. So au plus 3bv by y, who I have replaced by v, minus 2 equals to 0. This is my equation number 2. Now again, here we have positive sign for the variable. For the coefficient of v is 3 plus 3v and the coefficient of v is minus 2b. Definitely I am going to cancel out this v variable. For that I need to find the LCM of 3 and 2 because this is the coefficient, right? So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So by multiplying the entire equation number 1 by 3 and multiplying the entire equation number 2 by 2, I can rewrite it as 3 3s are 9au minus 3 2s are 6bv plus 3 5s are 15 equals to 0. This is my equation number 3. And again 2 into 1 is 2au plus 3 2s are 6bv minus 2 2s are 4 equals to 0. This is my equation number 4. Now I'll simply add it because the coefficient of v are same but with the opposite sign. That's why I'm adding here. So if I simply add it, this will cancel out. 9 plus 2 is 11au plus 11 equals to 0. Therefore the value of u is minus 11 by 11a. A should be at the denominator because this also we are considering as a constant or whatever you can take, but at a time we take only one variable, so u is the variable over here. So the value of u is how much? Minus 1 by a, because this 11 will cancel out. Again, if I put the value of u in any of the equation which is given earlier, so I have used this equation, this one, equation number 2. So au plus 3bv minus 2 equals to 0. If at place of u, if I write minus 1 by a, I'll get a will cancel out. 3bv minus 2 equals to 0. So 3bv minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3 equals to 0. So the value of v will be 1 by b. Now again again, the interesting fact is that now again we have to replace u by 1 by x, because the value of u is not given in the question. I have assumed it, but actual the value of u is 1 by x. So the value of u is minus 1 by a. Just now we got that. So I'll replace u by 1 by x. So I'll get 1 by x equals to minus 1 by a. So x equals to minus a. Similarly, I can get the value of v as 1 by y equals to 1 by b. So the value of y is b. So this is how we solve question based on that. Proceeding further. Another question of this type is 5x minus 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. I have to use elimination method to solve this question once again. Now, like we did in earlier question, we are going to do the same thing over here also. I'll consider this entire variable. Don't consider only x, because this is one, will be considered as one term together, because x minus 1 is together, right? So u will be equals to 1 by x minus 1, and here v is equals to 1 by y minus 2, because we don't have only y, we have minus 2 also with it. So I'll consider the entire term all together. By replacing 1 by x minus 1 by u and replacing 1 by y minus 2 by v, because we cannot have variable as a denominator. So rewriting the given equation, we'll get 5u plus v equals to 2 and 6u minus 3v equals to 1. I have just replaced it, right? So now again plus sign, minus sign. So I'll multiply equation number. The LCM of 1 and 3 is what? 3. So I'll multiply equation number 1 by 3. When we'll solve it, we'll get this equation. This, you can say that this one is my equation number 3, this one is my equation number 4. Now if you solve that simply by adding equation 3 and 4, you can get 15 plus 6 is 21u. This will be cancelled out, and 6 plus 1 is 7. The value of u is how much? 1 by 3. Now if I put the value of u in any of the given equation, at place of u you can write 1 by 3. So this will cancel out. You can get the value of v as, by simplifying this equation, you can get the value of v as 1 by 3. Right? Now you have the value of u and you have the value of v as well. By simply simplifying it, at place of u I can write 1 by x minus 1. Why? Because I have considered at the start only that the value of u is 1 by x minus 1. So if you cross multiply this, you will get 3 equals to x minus 1. 1 will be shifted to the LHS side. So the value of x will be equals to how much? 4. Similarly, at place of v, I can replace it by 1 by y minus 2 equals to 3. So if I cross multiply this, I'll get 3 equals to y minus 2. If 2 is shifted to the LHS side, y value is 5. So if you get answer till here, do not leave up to this step only. You have to proceed further, because we don't have to find the value of u and v, which we have considered. Actually, we have to find the value of x and y. So if you leave till here only, so partial marks will be rewarded to you. You will not get full marks. So you have to solve for the value of x and y, because we are solving linear equation based on the variable x and y. This we have considered. So you need to find the value of x and y both. So the last question for today's lesson, let's try it together. You also solve this question with me, and let's see whether we are able to solve this question together or not. So this is 1 by 2, 2x plus 3y plus 12 by 7, 3x minus 2y equals to 1 by 2. This is the most complicated question. So I have started from the basic level, then I am moving, and then each question I am increasing the level of the question, difficulty level of the question. 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 by 3x minus 2y equals to 2. These are the two linear equation. Now here what I'll do, that whatever the variable part at the denominator we have, I'll consider that as the some other variable. So here I have considered u equals to 1 by 2x plus 3y. Why? Because at the denominator part we have this as the variable. So 1 by 2x plus 3y I have considered as u. Similarly, only the variable part. Do not consider the constant part. So variable part is what? 3x minus 2y. So I'll consider v equals to 1 by 3x minus 2y. Right? So now I can write u by 2, because 2 is as it is. This I have considered u. So u by 2 plus 12 by 7 I can write 12 by 7v, because this I have considered as v equals to 1 by 2. So if I'll take the LCM 2 and 7, 14 will be here. I can write here 7u plus 24v equals to 1 by 2, right? So if you cancel it, you will get 7u plus 24v equals to 14 by 2 equals to 7. So this is my equation number 1. Similarly, you can rewrite this equation as 7u, because we have this as u. So 7u plus 4v equals to 2. This is equation number 2. Now as you can see here is that in both the sign are same, but here the value of the variable u is already similar. So simply we are not going to multiply any number as we have the same value. So directly by subtracting it, we can find the value of v. So 7u plus 24v equals to 7 and 7u plus 4v equals to 2. I'll subtract it. Sign will change. 24 minus 4 is 20v. 7 minus 2 is 5. The value of v is 1 by 4. By putting the value of v in any of the equation, here I have used this equation. So this one. So I'm putting the value of v in this equation. I'll get the value of, on simplifying it, I'll get the value of u. So from here I can get the value of u as 1 by 7. But I know that the value of u is actually what? 1 by 2x plus 3y, which we have assumed that the value of u is 1 by 2x plus 3y. So I'm just going to replace it, u by 1 by 2x plus 3y. If I'll cross multiply it, I'll get the value 2x plus 3y equals to 7. This is my another equation. I can consider it as 3. Similarly, for the v equals to 1 by 4, if I have to cross multiply it, I'll be getting 3x minus 2y equals to 4. This is my fourth equation. As you can see that here you are going to simplify twice, right? So again you got the linear equation like this. We don't have any variable at the denominator. Now we'll simplify this equation. So further, in order to simplify the equation, what we are going to do is that here we have this equation, here we have plus minus, so definitely I'll cancel out this variable. LCM of 3 and 2 is what? 6. So I'll multiply this entire equation by 2 and I'll multiply this entire equation by 3. So if when I multiply, I can rewrite it as this. Suppose this is my equation number 5 and this is my equation number 6. Now simply by adding equation number 5 and 6, I can get 13x equals to 26. So the value of x equals to 26 by 13, which is equals to 2. And the value of, again, if I'll put the value of x in any of the equation, I can get the value of, on simplification, I can get the value of y equals to 1. So the value of x and y equals to 1. So this few question I'm giving you as an assignment based on today's lesson. Today I have discussed 5 questions based on elimination method. In the next video also I am going to discuss more question on different pattern on elimination method, because this is the very important method used for simplification of linear equation in 2 variables. So next class will be based on elimination method itself, but definitely the type of question going to be different. So if you have any queries, you can write your views in the comment box. Subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update regarding my post. And also, you know, the notes are in the description part of the video. The link of the notes are in the description part of the video. Please solve all the 4 questions which I have given you as an assignment. And if you have any doubt in any of the question which I have given you or which I have not even given you, then you can ask. You can write it in the comment box. Take care and stay safe.